All right, the record button has been hit. So, what are we
Uh,
watching? What is this?
all right, so this is the original video for the speedboat crashing. Yeah, I saw you was gonna watch it on Ozzy Man's channel, and which this is cool by the way, but like you gotta watch it without the commentary.
Okay.
Holy crap, dog! I've seen I've seen so many iterations of this. Like I've seen drop the beat videos of this. Like they turned
Mm,
this into a meme, dog. This is so
I've never even heard of
stupid,
this. Whatever this is.
bruh.
I've seen a speedboat video where like the boat turns around and the people go upside down. I've never
Mm.
like the top's gonna come off or something. Like you laughing like it's something. I'm
Look
not
how just watch everybody's face.
okay.
What is so calm, dog?
What is like? Did they hit another boat? Like what did they hit?
I don't know. No, I don't. I have no. I think it's just I don't know.
Is
Like
it?
when you go so
Yeah, it's like you
fast,
hit
even
the
small waves
yeah the
hit.
waves.
Like
Yeah, like
yeah.
speed bumps. Please tell me like they hit something and somebody just go flying up out the boat.
I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything.
Yep. Mm, 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 mm.
God.
Oh shit! Is girl in the pink okay?
No. It's hobo with the glasses, okay?
Him too. Like,
Yo, he's not. I thought he was knocked out when I first saw this, dog. Holy crap.
yep. He ain't getting no booty. That's for sure.
Wow, man. Yo, go back to the crash, dog. Look how
Yeah.
hard this dude goes down. Holy crap. What?
You can see where
What?
it felt like a mannequin. You can see where he tried to slow it down. You see him pull the throttle back, and it's like it just couldn't slow it down because it was already going too fast.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he went down quick. Whatever it was up. You hit that one bump, and then it was just like up. It was gone. Went straight down, man. See, that's where he tried to slow it down. You can see where he tried to pull it back twice. Here, like once, twice, up. Oh, is that a penny? Like, oh, what is that? Oops. I mean, they didn't really crash. It was just like, they just got bounced around a bit. That's all it was. Oh man. See that that could have ended a whole lot worse. Like he could have flew forward and hit his head on something and broke his neck. She could have hit the side because she kind of sort of bounced off the right side a little bit, but like,
Oh boy. Yo. Oh, I almost passed out.
they just spun around a little bit. You all right? Yeah, drink some water.
um. Oh man. Oh man, my vision got blurry for a second there. I was about to pass out.
It happens.
Kind of like how Homeboy was when he hit that floor.
Yeah, he was like instant dead weight. Wasn't nothing he could do. It happened so fast he couldn't even put his arm up or nothing to block the fall. Nothing. It was just done. He was just down on the ground.
I said, "Oh, piece of candy, yeah."
You're like, I
what is
call
that? A
dibs.
So there's a bunch of memes on this shit. There's music behind this. Like there's it's like that drop the beat meme and then like the music starts.
Oh man,
I'm
that's
sure for
hilarious.
those people that shit was scary as hell, but for me that shit was entertaining as fuck. Knowing first off knowing that everyone survived in that and like lived. Man, if that was me, it would you know you know that's one of those stories that you will always tell and always laugh at, like after you live through it.
Mm.
Damn, damn, Steve, what the hell did you see on the floor?
Man,
Oh, oh shit. I
mm.
can't. I can't, man. Oh man.
Yeah,
I just
I'm surprised none of them like broke their nose. Like they just got bounced around a little bit when the boat spun around, because they didn't
he
even flip
tried
over or nothing like that.
he tried to keep his composure so much through the whole thing. It's like, all right, well, you know, in his head, he's like, oh shit, we're going a little bit too fast. Let
Yeah,
me
so
slow
you can see
this
where he
shit
was
down.
trying to.
Wait, I hit
Oh man.
it. Oh shit. Oh my head.
Oh man.
That's probably what they were saying. Oh my head. All right, I'm done.